hold on, hit your back brake.
Oh. Oh. What's that bearing?
Oh.
Gosh.
Oh man.
Oh no, dude. We're far from home.
Oh, that's not good.
Dude.
A brand new bearing, too. It's not bad.
What are we supposed to do?
Let's ease our freaking way home. Let's see. Maybe this guy will be nice enough. Oh, I don't know.
That's a bearing, dude.
Your chain's gonna want to come off.
Yeah, it will.
Let's see. I got a friend that we probably could call up.
You want to try to ease home?
Yeah, we probably should.
Try to get as far as we can.
I think that'll last for another few miles, maybe.
Until my chain pops off. Do you have something that'll tighten that?
I don't know. We can check. Hey, let's pull up right there. There's an open spot right there. We can better assess the situation. Yeah, that's gonna be a problem.
Dude, that's bad.
That is bad. Hey, do you still have the old bearings?
I have one new bearing. I ordered 5.
Oh, that's good. Smart
For
thing.
this exact situation, dude.
You felt
It's like I could see in the future.
Alright. Well, now with that exploded bearing. Hey, and guess what? I do have a spare chain. So if you bust your
bearing in there?
No. I'll have everything but the tools. Hey, just try not to lose the chain and you'll be fine, I guess.
Dude.
Now, how are you gonna explain this? You better start thinking of.
You know how far you brought me out here?
Yeah, that's my
My mom's gonna be like,
hey, here, back up.
You wanna try to push it?
Back up. Wait, no! Wait. Go forward. Forward.
Wait, let me get my glove.
See, I really didn't want all that all over my. Hey bro, when you go, you better just maintain a speed. It's underneath that, just our luck, to be honest with you. Hey, you know what you could do?
Okay, dude, push it.
No, that would be the freaking walk of shame. I meant walk of shame. You could, try hitting the brake while driving. At least while you start off, because that'll... Maybe. Try that.
You want to ask the guy if he's got a...
Yeah, let's ask him. Hey, move this out the road.
Oh, wait.
What? Oh, crap. This guy?
No, this guy. I think I'm thinking.
Hey. Hey, get off the bridge. Push this thing off the bridge. There you go. Here, let me push it. This is dangerous, bro. Yeah, right here's good. Bruh.
Dude, I'm going though.
You are.
We're getting home.
Hey, you could pick up your speed a little bit, but other than that, I mean, you're doing great.
Yeah.
You know, I'm not going to say this soon, but I'm amazed we haven't been caught yet.
Yeah, me too.
Or passed at least by one. As I say, that one passes. There you go. Alright, you go and I'll follow.
I see it, brother.
Let me just push you. Here. Hey, put the chain. What side did it fall on?
Here.
Hey,
Just here.
hey, watch it. Here, move off the road. Move off the road.
Can you hold the starter for me?
Yeah, I can. This is gonna be a nightmare. Hey, put this back in your backpack.
Why?
And
Let me try one more time.
No.
I'm gonna hit the brake this time like you told me.
All right.
I wasn't doing that.
Hey, watch out! You're rolling right into the road.
I'm stressed.
I know you're stressed. I don't blame
Get
you.
home.
Oh man. Hey, watch out! Watch out! Hey. Oh, what if it's the police? Uh-oh. Hey, I can push you a little ways, like that.
Like what?
Like that right there. If you leave it just like that, I can push you.
What?
Alright, here's your starter pack.
Yeah, I can probably.
Oh, you should.
If nothing else explodes, I could probably do this on the way home.
Yeah, I think you can. Hey, you know, you should do a snap story. They're like, yeah, stuck on the side of the road. No. Too many people that you don't want to see that.
That'd be incriminating.
Yeah.
My mom said, "You okay?" And I said, "Yep."
Perfectly fine.
Better than ever.
Hey, your what?
What were you gonna say?
Oh, I was gonna say your pull starts there when you're in.
When I hit the brake,
Yeah.
that like keeps it that way.
Yeah, even.
Yeah. So.
Well, yeah, because your brake is pulling. So
Yeah.
that's why I suggested that.
Good job.
Yeah.
Very helpful. So now I'm like, because this is my back brake, because I put them on the wrong spot. So now I'm like,
Well, no, it makes sense that you put them like that. Because see, when you want to do a burnout, you need the free hand.
Yeah. That's probably what I was thinking when I did it. Alright, I guess we better go.
Yep.
Or we're gonna have daylight.
And then we'll really be stranded. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, I can hold it if you need me to.
I got it. Alright.
Whichever way. Just as I said, now we're good. We're not good. Man, this is a freaking. This is a disaster. I'm so sorry about this.
As long as it's not, I mean, it's,
At least your engine didn't blow
at
up.
least it's not engine.
Yeah, yeah.
Maybe it is the engine.
here is a good place for you to break down. What? Remember when that dog was a puppy? We passed by here when that dog was a puppy. Can you believe that?
I remember that.
Really? Yeah, we passed by and like all these were like a lot tinier and they would be like running back and forth. I bet your torque converter's tired of this too.
Dude. I cannot wait to open that up and see how worn down it is. And my brakes too? I bet my brakes are tired.
Yeah. Here, me in the picture. Oh. Oh, I got that on video too. Oh, you didn't bend your exhaust, did you?
No. Oh my gosh, dude.
Oh man.
Whole life falling apart.
Hey, maybe if you're lucky, Caitlin won't be next.
This picture's hilarious. I mean, this video.
Hey, watch out. Watch out.
Ooh.
Cause see, it's come all the way out. Oh, look at this. Here.
Oh.
Yeah. Cause
Lord.
look at these bolts. Look at these bolts. Oh my goodness. Here, hold on. Let me look at all the metal shavings. Let me. Oh, that's.
Is it stuck now? There it goes.
Yeah. Oh, that's terrible. Mini bike problems on Friday. There you go. Oh, that wheel's a There it goes again.
Yeah, that tire.
Hey, it's doing a lot better than I thought, though. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. I'm not a blown berry.
I know. I'm not gonna lie. This thing has surprised me. Up to the starter again. Yeah.
Remember when that was like a house right there and they built a church in front of it?
Really?
You remember that?
Wait, what?
There was a house. There was a house right here. And they just plopped a church in front of it. Like in front of the front porch.
Alright guys, progress report.
We're making it.
We're making it. That bearing, this mini bike has surprised me,
I
but
don't even know where that bearing went.
that bearing,
Oh, it's still in there.
it's you'll see the carnage later. Yeah, we're getting it. At least we didn't have any police messing with us.
Yeah. Knock on wood.
Yeah, well, knock on these plastic fenders.
Yep.
And yet we still didn't make it to see that dirt bike.
It's okay. We'll do it sometime.
Yeah,
Maybe not.
we probably will. Yep, the little pit bike, it's doing good. It's gonna be gone soon. I'm giving it away for Christmas. Christmas is, how far is Christmas from today?
9 days.
9 days. Christmas is 9 days away, so I'm 9 days away from losing a ride. So, isn't that fun? Anyways, let me, I'm gonna take, the intro picture. Hold on. There we go. Perfect. Thumbnail, that's it. Thumbnail.
Keep going.
Yep. Alright, let's see.
You want to go home and take it apart?
Yeah. Wait, your house or my house?
My house.
Alright, yeah, let's go to your house.
I have a bearing at my house.
Yeah, let's see if we can get this thing fixed. Hey, maybe we can ride tomorrow, you never know.
Maybe so.
I don't know if you have anything to do. I know for sure. Oh wait, I gotta take my mini bike to the shop. Let's go. Darn. Look at all that oil. You need to check that out. You need to check that out. Look how much there is down there.
Yeah. That might be engine oil.
I hope it's not.
I'll check it out. Was like steaming off of your brake. Woo! Also, your wires hitting your the fender wires hitting your tire. It's fine.
That brake is hot.
Yeah.
I don't blame it either. Yep.
I just want to push it over.
Oh no! Push it the wrong way. Hey, you're pushing it home?
Sure. I don't want that brake to... I don't want that brake to get red hot.
It's hot. I'll tell you that.
Yeah. I didn't even think of that before you said anything.
Hey, but I can hook you up with a spare brake.
Yeah.
A used.
And
brake.
I might even have it.
Oh yeah, from your other mini bikes. I mean, you definitely
I
have.
might even have a new one.
Hey, sit on it and I'll push you.
Push me, hell.
Yeah, just sit on, just like I do with a bicycle.
Oh gosh.
Here, let's let this. All right, here, move over in the road so I can get off this little ledge. There you go.
Hey, it's going nice now.
Mhm. Here,
Might not need
put your
to.
foot up. Put your foot up over there on that side. There you go.
It's kind of sketchy.
Hey, don't be turning that way. Turn into me.
Okay.
Hey, I'm only in first gear, so I can't go that fast anyway. Can you change a little bit? This is what I've had mine doing. know if it's your plan. Alright, and I'll see you in a few minutes.